Start every project with the right light. The OSRAM high bay blade gets the job done. Installs quickly and simply into any standard E27 socket, delivering precise, adjustable high-performance lighting for every renovation project. Need support for your creative projects? The Worklight S-Stand adjusts to your needs. Tiltable head, consistent bright light, and everything you need to get started. Mounting accessories and 2-meter cable included. No socket? No problem. Take powerful light wherever your project takes you. The portable, rechargeable Worklight Battery R stand is engineered for flexibility, built to endure, and designed to shine. Your projects, your light, anywhere with OSRAM Worklights.